Hi, my name is Joe. In a recent video I talked about my ballyi collection, and this is one of the plants. This is Sansevieria ballyi Tom Grumbley. And today I decided to do something about this runner here. So the stilt roots of this runner, it's longer than 1 inch. So it's time to do something about it. I can either cut the stolon and separate this and plant this in another pot, but I decided to leave it since it's cool as it is, but it looks like something has to be done. So I decided to kind of try to put that stilt root inside this pot and put this pot aligned to this pot, and in that way I think I can make it still walk in one direction. Since it's a walking Sansevieria, it's commonly known as a walking Sansevieria. And so I'm going to try that. I prepared some training wire, which you use when you train bonsai trees. So I'm going to try to use this and kind of shift this runner aligned to this pot and put that stilt root inside this little pot here. So it's my first time doing this. I never seen somebody do with the stolons of Sansevieria. So let's see if we can do it. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try. This stilt root is also kind of new to this soil. What I mean by that is the root of this offset is not fully established. So I'm not sure if it can withstand the force of that, but yeah, we'll try. Let's see. Okay, I prepared my wire here. It's a little bit longer than the stolon length here. The stolon is growing a little bit counterclockwise, so I'm gonna wire on this stilt root of this offset a little bit counterclockwise as well. But first I'm gonna need to put a little bit into the soil level. Clockwise, okay, this counterclockwise this way. Okay, let's see. It's my first time doing this on a Sansevieria. I'm gonna go slow. Okay. Oh, since I can't move around the pot, I have kind of limited space here. Oh my God. Oh shit. It is sharp. The leaves are sharp. Okay, I think that's good enough. Should I go one more round? Not sure, but maybe. Maybe this way. And now I'm gonna wire this in 45 degrees along the stolon. The stolon doesn't break. Okay. It looks like the length of the wire is about right. I don't need to cut it. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can put some force on this and put the stilt root inside this pot. But I think I'll put the root inside this pot first and then make a twist. Okay. Well, it's kind of aligned now. I can see that it's kind of aligned. Okay. Okay, I think it is aligned enough. I'm gonna position it like this. Okay. And now I'm gonna kind of make this part compact so it doesn't move. Let's put some more fresh soil here. Yeah, when I make it compact, I put some more soil and then push gently until the plant is positioned where I want it to, and until it doesn't move. If you press it, the soil will become compact and that part of the plant won't move. But I still wanted to leave part of the stilt roots above soil level. I'll just leave maybe 1 centimeter over there. The reason I put it above soil level is because the aesthetic views. I mean, it's more prettier than putting the whole stilt roots into the soil. Okay. It's pretty nice. So it's my first try, so I'm gonna not give more force here. And maybe next time I can do more force. I want to see if this works first, and then I'll try with more force next time. But it still looks okay, I think. It's still looking good as how it is right now. To me, of course. Please let me know what you think on the comments below. I hope I didn't disturb the roots on this one that's too much. I hope it's okay. Let's see how it will look a few weeks later from now. I'll give you updates later. And since I disturbed the roots, I'll need to give some water. I give water with this bottle. Every Sansevieria or succulent owner should have this, in my opinion. It's good when you control water. I'm gonna slightly wet the soil level here. Okay, that's it. And also here. Water will help compact the soil and also remove air in between the root and soil. Okay, let's see how this will go. Okay, how does that look? I think I got something similar to what I was thinking in mind. The stolon was not long enough to put the pot a little bit far away from this pot, but yeah, still I maintained the walking Sansevieria shape there. I didn't cut the stolon. I wanted to keep that. In the future, I'm expecting another runner will be produced from this offset. What I'm not sure, it's the direction of it. I hope it goes this direction, and if it does, I'm gonna put another pot on next to this pot and make it keep walking. So I want this Sansevieria ballyi Tom Grumbley to keep walking sideways, and yeah, in that way I think I can get a good display and make it a more cool looking plant. Okay, thanks for watching today. Have a good day. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.